Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a way you can make more than 10,000 in free Bitcoin just for watching videos. Have you ever heard of such a method? Well, on this channel we show you only the legit ways of making money online. We have personally tested all of these methods and we can confidently recommend them to you. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel so you get regular ideas on how to make money online. Okay, let's begin. This method is completely free and works to this day, so stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any information. Let's head over to es.btcnews.com. You'll notice first the About Us section. ES Faucet is a multi-crypto faucet in which you decide how often to claim. This means you can occasionally visit this website and collect cryptocurrency. They have other cryptocurrencies just in case you don't want to use Bitcoin. You can use this method on mobile platforms also, as well as their website. You can see their great reviews on Trustpilot, and they have over 300,000 registered users with more than 47 billion, yes, billion coins sent. I want you to use their crypto miner. They utilize an algorithm that will get you the highest hash power. This method can earn you money passively, which is the dream for so many of us. Bitcoin is becoming more and more popular, so make sure you research the current value of Bitcoin because it does change from time to time. Just sign up with some basic information and accept the terms of service. When you log in, your dashboard will be displayed. You can see your current level here, and if you scroll down, you can see the list of cryptocurrencies that they have available. Let's focus on Bitcoin. On the left, you can click on Earn to see different options. You can see miner, bonuses, videos, etc. You can click on faucets and click on Bitcoin. Then you'll see the balance on this page. Claim the Bitcoin by clicking here. Then you'll be taken to a page to tell you how much you've claimed. You can do this with any of the faucets. To increase your total earnings, you want to use all of the other options too. Viewing websites can earn you money in this site also. They have many different offers and tasks. They also have a section to earn Bitcoin by watching videos. That's all you have to do. You will make the most amount of money using the miner. All you do is click on the Start button and it will automatically earn you Bitcoin. And after you reach a threshold, you can withdraw the Bitcoin. You may have to pay fees, but some people, depending on location, may not have to pay any transaction fees. You can sign up for a free Coinbase account because that's where you can store all of your crypto earnings. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you can leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe so you don't miss any uploads on how to make money online. We release videos daily. Until next time, reach high.